Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make mojito syrup at home. This easy guide will help you create a delicious base for your favorite drinks. First, gather your simple ingredients: fresh mint leaves, granulated sugar, and water. You'll need about 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, plus a good handful of mint. Let's get started on this refreshing recipe. Next, let's prepare the simple syrup base. In a saucepan, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Place the pan over medium heat and stir continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's important to keep stirring to prevent burning. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, but be careful not to let it boil vigorously. Now for the star of the show, the mint infusion. As soon as your syrup reaches a gentle simmer, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add your fresh mint leaves to the hot sugar syrup. Gently press the mint down to ensure it's fully submerged. Let the mint steep in the warm syrup for approximately 30 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to infuse. Finally, it's time to finish and store your delicious mojito syrup. Once the syrup has cooled and the mint has steeped, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the mint leaves. Discard the used mint. Pour your beautiful, clear mojito syrup into a clean, airtight container. You can store this homemade goodness in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.